Today we are making one of our favorite summertime salads, frog eye salad. But don't worry, no frogs were harmed in the making of this video. It's actually named after the small Acini de Pepe noodles that are the foundation of this amazing fruit dish. This is how we do it. First, we're going to drain off that liquid gold pineapple juice from our tidbits and crushed pineapple. The goal is to get at least 1 cup of juice. Add that to a small saucepan along with a ½ cup of sugar, an egg yolk, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Whisk it well so the egg doesn't curdle over medium-high heat. Once it comes to a boil and thickens slightly, remove it from heat and transfer it into a glass bowl to cool to room temperature. While your pineapple mixture is cooling, bring to boil about 4 cups of water in another saucepan. Then add ½ cup of noodles and cook according to the package directions. Mine was just under 10 minutes. Once cooked, remove immediately and drain, then rinse thoroughly with cold water to stop the cooking process. Next, add the cooled noodles to the cooled pineapple mixture and stir to combine. Cover it up and set it in the fridge for at least 4 hours, along with the remaining drained pineapple. Once it's nice and chilled, remove the noodle mixture from the fridge and add in the cold crushed pineapple and pineapple tidbits. Since I opened a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple, but only needed 10 ounces for this recipe, I just put half the can in the storage container along with the other 20-ounce can of tidbits to get cold. Next, throw in 2/3 cup of shredded coconut and 15-ounce can of mandarin oranges. Drain that first. Gently mix to combine. If you'd like to throw in some maraschino cherries too, this would be the time. I didn't have any this time around, but I did have a little bit extra of coconut left over, so I just threw that in anyway. See how non-breakable this recipe is? And finally, we mix in 1 cup of mini marshmallows. Once it's all combined, set it aside to prepare the whipped cream. And yes, you can use the prepared tub kind instead if you like. But for fresh, I used 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. You can sweeten it with some powdered sugar if you like. I left it out because I feel like the fruit and the coconut has plenty of sweetness on their own, but that's up to you. Once you've whipped it to a stiff peak state, gently fold into your fruit and noodle mixture. My bowl of whipping cream happened to be bigger, so I did this part in reverse. Cover and let sit in the fridge for another 3 to 4 hours for best flavor, or do what I did and just eat it immediately. Let me know in the comments below if you have made this before and any adjustments that you've made and you like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn off your notifications for more awesome recipes just like this one.